we must become brand new. Our tissues must start to crystalline. And when they're crystals, everything is aligned. And this is what we're about, to bring things together so they are in agreement. And to be in agreement, we have to be crystallized. And our tissues must be crystallized. I have felt crystalline tissues when I touch at one time a spiritual being. It doesn't feel like this, it feels altogether different. And guess what we're going to build up there? A crystal chandelier. And from where does that crystal come? If we take urine analysis, we find crystals in it. But the biologist and the physiologist, all these subdivisions say they have no value. But when the day comes and we change our digestive system into what it should be, then those crystals from the urine are brought upstairs to form a crystal dome. So if you're suffering headaches, you may ease them a bit, but because of it or in spite of it, they're going to continue until your dome is finished with crystal. And I accept the headaches I get. Okay? They don't bother me. Now that I know why. Isn't this beautiful? And naturally, when that happens, we don't need the goat anymore. Because the goat has the kidneys. They go. They disappear. But within our kidneys, there is something very valuable that is within the urine of our kidneys. There is something very valuable, and that is the crystals. The crystals. And those crystals, when you and I start to make that metamorphosis, will start to replace the water and become the crystals. Now, what is that? The symbol of what?
Swine flu. I heard someone say, I don't know who.
Okay, that's right. That's right, the swine flu. Swine flu. And it'll always be ever-changing. For what is ever-changing in that formula? Water. When you look at a river and 2 seconds later, it's not the same river. It's forever changing. It has no stability. Watch the leaves in a river, and they're forever making different structures. But if that were frozen, the structure would remain. And that's what our tissues will become. Crystals, minus the water. And then we will not have to urinate any longer. Now you understand why I want no water in this auditorium. You get rid of that. Because you have to stop being, in plain English, a pisser. And when we become crystallized, as I am being crystallized slowly but surely, and it's a very slow procedure, but once the first one has it, then it'll be nothing but a mirror image for all other people. For the first one. As we change inside, we're changing outside. Look at the rain and the hail and the snow coming in places at this time when it's not ready. Even hail. Now what is hail? Hail is frozen water. It's crystals. And we are going to be crystals. Because flesh and blood cannot inherit the kingdom of heaven. This is a crystal way of looking at it. A crystal sends out images. And we have to become that crystal person. Because if we're not that crystal person, then we cannot send out these images.